So I want to give you guys a rundown on this website called FIVERR, and kind of want to just let you guys know how to use it, how to use it for your business or just any personal projects that you have, and how to make money from Fiverr. There's a lot of people who make money with this website, and there's a lot of people who use this website for useful resources. So I just wanted to do a little overview. So when you first go to the website, all I did was click in fiverr.com and I was already signed up. You just create an account. This is what your account looks like when you are already inside, when you already created an account. It's free. It's just like signing up with pretty much anything. Just takes a few minutes and then you're here. And basically, this is also a tailored web page. My page may be a little bit different from yours. This is kind of my home page, I suppose. These are things I viewed recently, and things that I've been looking at, things that the algorithm is throwing at me for different people to check out. Um, I was looking into social media marketing and stuff like that, so um, that's why it's popping up for me. So, anyway, basically, you can use, let's say I want to find somebody to design um, a flyer for me. I need flyers, I need someone to design it for me. Well, you can look it up right here. You can look up anything that you can think of: graphics or digital marketing, writing and translation, video, music, programming, business, lifestyle, and it looks like they have a new one actually: gaming. So you can actually even, there are people who can create um, I don't know if they can create video games or if they create little things to help your game. That looks something interesting that I could get into a little bit later on. But like I was looking at, if I wanted someone to make a flyer for me, boom, I could easily just find something that I can find something that's in my price range. So if you want to, okay, if you want this delivered in 24 hours, or if you don't care, 3 days, 7 days, anytime, these are the people who can deliver within 24 hours. You can set your budget, all of those things. As you can see, the prices are down here. Things you're going to want to look at is the price. You're going to want to look at the ratings. This one has a 5-star rating, and 1,000 people gave this person a 5-star rating. So this is probably a good seller, and it's actually a top rated seller. So everything looks good here. I would feel very trusted buying from this seller. Some people are still very good. This has 177 ratings, 900, almost 1,000, and it's almost a 5.0. So I don't critique things too much as long as it's not like a 0 rating or a 2-star. If something's a 4-star rating, honestly, I still would um, buy something that they have. And it's also important to, like I said, look at how many people gave them ratings, because some of them are not very popular. Some people only have like 7, but 7 people gave them 5 stars, but not many people have bought their product, and you can see that from the ratings here. So you can see the people who are more skilled and more professional, and people who are just starting out, things like that. And you can look up all kinds of stuff. You can look up someone to write something for you, someone to create animation for you, someone to create music or voiceover or all kinds of stuff. Even if you want to look up something. One time I looked up YouTube. So you can just click in here and look up something, and things with YouTube will pop up. So I will create a unique YouTube intro for $55, you know, top rated seller. Usually the top rated sellers are obviously going to be like at the top. Um, so yeah, design a banner, I'll do this, I'll do that. Um, yeah. So, however, if you feel like there's some things that these people are doing that you feel like you could do, if you feel like you could do something, you can go to selling, switch to selling. And if there's something that you are specialized in, if you are a good writer, or if you're really good at making intros for videos or banners, or just something, if you're good at doing something through the internet, you're good at editing videos, or you can send over a voiceover, whatever it is, you can actually sell your skill sets, sell your skills for money. So basically, not only can you buy things from people, you can sell your skills, like I said. So you would click start selling, you would click become a seller, and continue. I think this is going to make me start a gig, basically. I'm not going to go too deep into how to start a gig and blah, blah, blah. It's going to show all this stuff. You're going to put your name, you're going to put your profile picture, you're going to put a little description of who you are, you're going to put your language, which is actually really important with this website. I speak English and I'm native. I'm not bilingual, but basically I'm a native English speaker, fluent, conversational, basic, unspecified, so there's that. And then it'll get me just basically more into getting a gig started and just getting started into selling. I'm not going to go too deep into that. You can personally get more into that if you're interested, basically. And you can sell for as much as you want. You can start off at $5. I do, I can send you a personalized message for $5, or you can rate your gigs, more higher with the more experience you have and just how better you are at doing things. Um, so your gigs will show up right there. Since I don't have any gigs, it's not there. Your earnings will show up there. So I don't have any earnings because I haven't started any gigs, but all of that will start there. You'll have your income. You can use the money in your account for purchases as well. So let's say you're selling and you also want to buy something on Fiverr. The money that you've made through, your sales, you can use that money to purchase things. Um, and then you can withdraw your money. So I believe um, you have to make like 20 something dollars and then you have to wait a little bit. There is always a little wait time basically. But long story short, Fiverr is a really great website. It's still going strong. People still use this website. I'm going to switch to buying because if I was selling, all of my stuff would pop up here. But since I'm not really selling anything, I might in the future. And if I do, I will make a step-by-step tutorial of how I do it. Or if you want a tutorial of how to start a gig, I can do that. But I just kind of wanted to give an overview of just the website and how to use it. Let's say we wanted to go with someone's thing. Um, this person, I will design a complete web design for you for $10. It's a really good deal. You would just look at what they have to offer. Um, they deliver in about 3 days, you know, and they are a level 1 person. They have a lot of experience, blah, blah, blah. These are their prices. So you can start off at $10 and then you can, they have, bigger tiers that you can purchase. Um, so yeah, you can actually take inspiration from top rated sellers. If you want to sell yourself, you can get inspiration from like how they sell their things. And yeah, I can make a whole video as well on how to be noticed on Fiverr, how to get sales, things like that, because sometimes you may post a gig and you may have no one buy your gigs. So that's a whole video within itself. But I hope this video is a little helpful of just how to navigate through Fiverr, how to use it. There's a lot of things to really play around with. If you want to get really deep into this, I'll put the link right in the description.